There's nothing quite like starting your day with a perfectly blended smoothie. Creamy, fresh, and packed with nutrients. You don't have to be a professional chef to make one, but you do need the right blender. Not all blenders are created equal. Some are powerful enough to crush ice and frozen fruit with ease, while others are compact and convenient for quick, single servings. In this video, we'll break down the top 6 blenders for smoothies, highlight their key features, and help you figure out which one fits your needs. Links to all the products are in the description below. Number 6. Ommo 1800-watt high-speed blender. If you're looking for a blender that packs serious power without draining your wallet, the Ommo 1800-watt high-speed blender is a strong contender. This model delivers professional-level blending performance at a price that's accessible for most kitchens. Its sturdy, no-frills design still manages to look modern on your countertop with clean lines and a solid build that feels reliable. The star of the show here is its 1800-watt motor. That much power means you can crush ice, pulverize frozen fruits, and blend fibrous greens into smooth, creamy drinks without much fuss. Even thick smoothie bowls or nut butters are within reach thanks to its sharp blades and consistent speed. It comes with a generously sized 68-ounce, about 2-liter pitcher, making it a great choice for families, meal prepping, or anyone who likes to blend large batches at once. The jar is made from BPA-free material and feels durable. While the simple knob and button controls keep everything easy to use, no need to scroll through confusing presets. When it's time to clean up, you'll appreciate that all the detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Just pop the jar, lid, and blades into the dishwasher or rinse them under warm water if you prefer. On the downside, the Ommo isn't the quietest blender you can buy. It produces a noticeable roar at full speed, which is expected at this power level. It's also fairly tall, so you might need to store it in a cabinet if it doesn't fit under yours. For anyone who wants solid performance and a big jar without spending a premium, the Ommo 1800-watt high-speed blender is a dependable choice that handles just about anything you throw at it. Number 5. Nutribullet Flip Personal Blender. For anyone with limited kitchen space or a busy schedule, the Nutribullet Flip Personal Blender is a smart pick. Compact and lightweight, it's designed specifically for personal smoothies and small servings, perfect for apartments, dorms, or anyone who just wants a quick and easy way to blend and go. What makes this blender stand out is its sheer convenience. You blend your smoothie directly in the same cup you'll drink from, cutting down on mess and extra dishes. The package includes 2 durable cups along with flip-top lids so you can easily take your drink with you to work, the gym, or anywhere on the go. Despite its small size, the Nutribullet Flip packs a respectable 1000-watt motor. That's more than enough for blending fruits, leafy greens, protein powders, and even light ice. It handles soft and moderately frozen ingredients well, delivering smooth and creamy results most of the time. Operation couldn't be simpler. There are no buttons to fuss over. Just load your ingredients, twist the cup into the base, and press down to blend. When you're done, simply rinse the blades in cups or pop them in the dishwasher. It does have a few limitations. At high speeds, it can get a little noisy, and it struggles slightly with very hard frozen chunks or heavy ice loads. Also, its single-serve design means it isn't ideal for making smoothies for family or large groups. If you're a student, busy professional, or someone working with a small kitchen, the Nutribullet Flip Personal Blender offers a convenient, space-saving way to whip up smoothies quickly and take them with you without missing a beat. Number 4. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. If you're looking for a blender that does more than just smoothies, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System might be exactly what you need. This versatile appliance combines the power of a blender, a food processor, and even a dough mixer in one convenient package, making it a strong choice for busy kitchens and creative cooks. At the heart of the system is a powerful 1500-watt motor base that provides plenty of strength to handle just about any task. You get a large 72-ounce pitcher that's perfect for making smoothies, frozen drinks, or large batches of sauces. It also includes an 8-cup food processor bowl for chopping vegetables, making salsa, or mixing dough, along with 2 16-ounce personal cups that are great for quick, single-serve smoothies you can take on the go. The sharp, stacked blade design of the Ninja delivers excellent results, easily crushing ice, blending frozen fruits into silky smoothies, and even kneading dough. Just be mindful when handling the blades. They're extremely sharp and should be handled with care. All the blending containers and cups are made from BPA-free materials and are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup much easier. There are a few downsides to keep in mind. With all of its attachments, this system is quite bulky and can take up a lot of counter and cabinet space. It's also on the louder side, especially when running at full power, but that's typical for machines at this level. For families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants a single appliance that can tackle smoothies, food processing, and dough mixing, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System delivers impressive versatility and performance. Number 3. Breville Super Q Blender. For those who want a premium blender that combines sleek design with outstanding performance, the Breville Super Q is hard to overlook. This high-end option delivers professional-grade blending power while looking right at home in a modern kitchen. With its robust 1800-watt motor and advanced blade system, the Super Q easily tackles tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and fibrous vegetables, turning them into smooth, creamy blends with little effort. Whether you're making a quick smoothie, crushing ice for drinks, or blending hot soups, this machine handles it all beautifully. It comes with a generously sized 68-ounce jug that's perfect for family-sized servings or meal prepping, and also includes a 24-ounce personal blending cup with a lid, ideal for taking your smoothie with you on the go. The control panel features 12 variable speed settings along with 5 pre-programmed functions, including specific settings for smoothies, ice crushing, and even green smoothies. There's also a digital timer and a crisp backlit display that makes it easy to monitor your blending time and adjust as needed. One of the standout qualities of the Super Q is how much quieter it is compared to many other high-powered blenders, thanks to its built-in noise suppression technology. Despite its quieter operation, it feels incredibly sturdy and substantial. This is a blender that's built to last. It is worth noting that the Breville Super Q is on the heavier side and comes with a premium price tag. But for those who value durability, precision, and versatility, the investment can be well worth it. If you're a serious smoothie enthusiast or someone who wants a high-performance blender with a touch of elegance, the Breville Super Q is an excellent choice. Number 2. Vitamix 5200 Professional Blender. The Vitamix 5200 has earned its place as a classic professional-grade blender trusted in countless home and commercial kitchens. Known for its reliability and performance, this model has been a favorite for years and continues to impress with its no-nonsense design and powerful results. At its core is a 2-horsepower motor, which translates to about 1380 watts of blending power. Paired with its variable speed control dial, you get precise control over texture and consistency. Whether you're blending silky smoothies, steaming hot soups, nut butters, or even grinding grains. Unlike many modern blenders, the Vitamix 5200 keeps things simple with fully manual controls, giving you the flexibility to adjust as you go without being locked into preset programs. The 64-ounce tall container is designed to create a strong vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades, ensuring even blending without chunks or uneven textures. This size is perfect for families or anyone who likes to prepare larger portions in one batch. It's also surprisingly easy to clean. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, then let it run for 30 to 60 seconds. No need to disassemble anything. There are a few trade-offs to consider. At full speed, the Vitamix 5200 is quite loud, though that's common for machines at this power level. Its tall container also means it may not fit under standard kitchen cabinets, so you'll want to check your space before deciding. What really sets the Vitamix 5200 apart is its durability. Many owners report using theirs for a decade or more without issues, making it an investment that pays off over time. For anyone looking for a proven, powerful blender that delivers professional results and stands the test of time, the Vitamix 5200 remains a top choice. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Smart Ascent Blender. At the very top of the list is the Vitamix A3500 Smart Ascent Blender, the brand's most advanced model, combining professional-grade performance with modern smart features and a premium build. It's designed for those who want not just power and durability, but also cutting-edge technology and convenience. A3500 is equipped with a robust 2.2 horsepower motor, delivering around 1500 watts of power. It also features wireless connectivity that automatically detects the size of the container you're using, adjusting the blending time and power for optimal results. This self-detect technology ensures perfect consistency whether you're making a single smoothie or a large batch of soup. Included with the A3500 is a 64-ounce container, which is ideal for families or meal prepping, and the sleek touchscreen controls make it easy to use. The interface offers 5 program settings for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, spreads, and cleaning, so you can simply press a button and walk away. For added precision, it comes with a programmable timer that allows you to set the exact blending duration. You can also connect it to the Vitamix app, unlocking even more recipes and programs that you can control right from your phone. The A3500's appearance matches its advanced capabilities with an elegant stainless steel finish and modern design that looks stunning on the countertop. It is heavier and larger than most blenders, but that also makes it stable and solid during operation. For its performance and technology, it sits at the higher end of the price range, making it an investment piece. However, it's impressively quiet for its power level, and the smooth surfaces and touchscreen panel are easy to wipe clean. For anyone who wants professional results paired with smart technology and timeless durability, the Vitamix A3500 is an exceptional choice that truly delivers. Thanks for checking out our list of the top 6 blenders for smoothies. When choosing the right one for you, think about what matters most, whether you need something compact for personal use, powerful enough for a family, quiet, or packed with features. Let us know in the comments which blender you're leaning toward and why. And don't forget, links to all the products we covered are down in the description below.